in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your Windows terminal over the same Wi-Fi or the same network or over the internet. So to start with, I will just open my terminal. So I'll type terminal in Windows. So I have opened my terminal. I will maximize it. So before that we will check the WSL. So it should be there. So I will type WSL version. So it will show the version. So it should be installed. By default it is already there in Windows. So I'll clear this. Now I will check the list of the application installed in WSL. So WSL minus list minus verbose. So this will give the list. You can see only one application is there, Docker. So I will install the Ubuntu in this. So I will just do WSL install. So this will install the Ubuntu in this. As you can see, it is downloading Ubuntu. So as you can see here, it is asking for the enter the name. So you can type the custom name here, but I will take it default name itself, and we need to enter the password also. And again, you need to enter the password. So as you can see here, the Ubuntu is installed and I am in Ubuntu terminal. So if you want to exit it, you just do exit and you will be in Windows terminal. So you come back. So you need to type this command. WSL -t Ubuntu will take you to the same Ubuntu terminal again. So I will just show you one more thing. So here if you will type that command WSL list verbose, it will show that Ubuntu is also there and it is running. I'll just open Ubuntu again. So now to share the terminal, you will have to install the ttyd. So before that I will update the application. So I will enter this command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. So this will update the application in Ubuntu. So I have entered the password and it will take some time to update the old application. So as you can see here, that application got updated. Now I will install the ttyd. So I will type this command sudo apt install ttyd -y. So this will install the ttyd. So as you can see, it is getting installed. So ttyd is installed. I will check the version. ttyd minus version will give the version of ttyd. So as you can see here, ttyd is installed. So now I want to use ttyd to run the. So I will run this ttyd first. So if you want to open the Windows terminal, share the Windows terminal, you have to type this ttyd -w -p 7682 is the port I have selected, and PowerShell.exe. You can see here in one line. So this is the command. So you have to type it. So it is running in 7682 port. So I will go to the browser. I'll type localhost :7682. It will. So I am in Windows terminal. I have just maximized it and I can type any Windows command and I can perform the action. So you can see here I am in Windows terminal and I can type anything, and now I will show you how you can share it through the local Wi-Fi or through the same network. For that you need to check the IP address. So I will just check the IP address. I will just do ipconfig and this will give me the IP address 192.168.1.4. This is the IP address. So I will type this again here 192.168.1.4. This may be different for you, 7682. So we have typed the IP address and this showing this site cannot be reached. Connection refused. Check the proxies and firewall. So we need to allow this permission so that it will open. So we will open the terminal in administrator mode. So I will open the terminal in administrator mode, run as administrator. So now we have to run here two commands, which is very important. So you can see this netsh adv firewall add rules name ttyd, and here I will give local port 7682. This is the port we are using, and I will change this also 7682. So you can see here I will just enter. I will maximize it so that you can see here. So this is only one line. It's showing in two line when I maximize it. So I will hit enter. So this is the first command and it is giving me the OK, and I will type the next command. So this is the next command. You can see here netsh interface port proxy add, and listener port will be 7682 listening, and connection port also I will change to 7682. 82. So this is the port I am using. I will hit enter. So I have entered these two command. Now we will check this. So all it will show that 7682 we are able to listen to this port. So now we will open the browser, and now if I refresh it, it will open the terminal. So now you can see here that terminal is opening with the IP address also, and we are able to use this terminal. So now if you want to share to anyone in the local network like same Wi-Fi or the local network, you can just share this address. You can just copy this address, IP address colon 7682, and you can share to them, and if they open it, so they will be able to access your terminal. Now I want to show you how you can share it over the internet. So this is the same terminal we are getting in what we can see it here in Windows. So I'll minimize it so that you can see. So this is the same terminal here. It is reflecting in browser, so which you can share. So now to share it over the internet, so you will have to use ttyd. You will have to use Cloudflared. So I already have installed it. If you don't have, you can see my Cloudflare video and you can install. I will just show you. So you can see here I have installed the Cloudflare, and when I check the version, it will show the version. So if you don't have Cloudflare installed, you can check my another video to install Cloudflare. So I will use that. So I need to share this over the internet. So I will just copy this URL and I will open that command terminal. So here I will type Cloudflare tunnel minus URL, and I will paste that URL http://localhost:7682, and I will hit enter. So this will give you the link, so which you can share over the internet. So whoever clicks it, so they will be able to access the terminal. So I'll just copy this URL. I have copied it and I will open in the same browser. So you can see here I will just paste that link and I will hit enter. So you can see here, I will just maximize it. If you share this link, they will be able to access your terminal, and this is the same terminal. They will be able to access it over the internet. You can see here in Windows. So I will just show you. So this is the same Windows terminal, and here also over the internet they will be able to access, and they can type any command and it will work. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.